Power and beauty. CPU, Intel Core i7. Graphics, Nvidia GeForce RTX 2060. Or GeForce GTX 2080, Max Q, 8GB, GDDR6, VRAM. RAM, 8GB to 24GB. Screen, 17.3-inch FHD, 1920 by 1080. 144Hz panel with G-Sync. Super thin. Tons of performance. Very expensive. These days, the best gaming laptop manufacturers are scrambling to craft the thinnest gaming laptop packing raw power. Right now, the one that might be leading the charge is the Asus ROG Zephyrus GX701. At just 0.7 inches thick, this beast of a laptop boasts an Intel Coffee Lake Core i7 chip, Nvidia GeForce RTX 2080, Max Q graphics, and 16GB of RAM. That means you can play any PC game under the sun on Ultra, and also take it with you wherever you go, ideal for travelers with a penchant for gaming. Plus, it's packed with RGB lighting that'll dazzle just about anyone. Thanks for watching, please subscribe for more review videos.